Hey guys, so today we will be actually recording some more Plants vs Zombies 1 gameplay. As you probably know, this is my second video. Just gonna show you guys some quick gameplay of a mission that I left off. I did some missions offline. I don't really think I did like 1 or 2 or so. But as you can see, here we go. Big Wave Beach, never played this. Okay. So we got the squash last time. That you guys didn't see that video, unfortunately. Because I didn't post it. Somebody deleted it. My sister. Yeah. And so let's go ahead and play pretty easy level. All we're gonna want to do is about that road full of, you know what? Sunflowers. Here I come. You're my best buddies now. Okay, but you are still pretty ugly, I gotta admit. The sunflowers ugly. Come on, you guys. Look at them. I'm not gonna talk much in this. It's level 1, I believe. I have no idea what level I'm on. That guy just completely the zombie. He tried to eat a squash. You know what? I'm going to use the doom shroom right now. We don't have it. Oh, that was the best idea. He got squashed. Wow, I didn't know that's what the squash does. I thought it just shoots. I don't know. I didn't know it would jump on them. But you know what? That's actually kind of cool. I mean, probably none of us knew that was going to happen. Some people might do, some people might not, but unfortunately, I didn't know that it do that. So sorry if I sound newbie, but like, not everybody's smart like you. I mean, come on, you guys are cool, and even I know that because I've seen you guys. I've totally seen you guys. I may have seen some of you. I may have not. I might tell my friends about this. Sorry if I'm just saying random stuff that annoy you, but you know, I could get quite bored sometimes. And probably you guys too. Well, I don't mind you guys. I'm allowing you to come forward and stuff, but you haven't seen me. So there's a problem. Come on, whatever you'd like. I don't care what you call me. I'm just gonna mind my own business. And you have to appreciate that at least. Look at the squash. Look at him. Oh my god. He squashed his zombies. Oops, you see him? Coin. Why did I do that? Sorry. Look at this. It's game over. Look at this. Look how good that setup is. And the zombies are going. You might think that I'm more, but you know, I'm joking. I'm actually putting no more plants there because there's literally no point. Boing. Okay, here we go, an all-star. There you go. What? You just completely avoided. No, you know what? Okay. What did we get? Is this? Where is this guy? He looks familiar. The threepeater? Yep. So there you go. That was your level. Let's just take a look in the plants. The threepeater shoots peas and 3 lanes, of course. That is normal for HP, 3 lanes. Yep. It costs 325. That's weird. But that was, I guess, everything for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not, then you could tell me what I didn't do right. So goodbye, guys.